Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of Rise of Kingdoms on your phone, no jailbreak. So as you can see there, I got over 10,000, so let's get right into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is get on your browser, and we're just going to go over to Google, and once you're here, guys, you want to go to the search bar and type in ZooMod. So once that comes up, guys, we're going to go over to the search bar, and we're just going to go ahead and type in Rise of Kingdoms, and as you can see, it says Rise of Kingdoms mods. Just press on that, it's going to start to download. So it's super insane, guys. I can't even believe it actually works, but let me just show you guys right here. If I go to the App Store and I just type in Rise of Kingdoms, as you guys can see right here, it is very expensive. So let me just do it right here. So I'm just going to type in Rise of Kingdoms, and as you can see, guys, if we go over to this page and we go down to in-app purchases, look how expensive it is, guys. So do not try this out. It is super bad. I want you guys instead to come over to my website, which is zoomods.com, guys. That's all you got to do, guys. Just go ahead and go over to ZooMods. They are the best website where you can actually go ahead and download this Rise of Kingdoms hack. So let me just type it in right here. So Rise of Kingdoms, and as you can see, guys, it should come right up. And there it is, the Rise of Kingdoms mod. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. It actually works. It is super crazy, guys, and I haven't had any problems with this whatsoever. So if this video worked for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and get the word out about this tutorial, because it is super insane. And I am the Rise of Kingdoms master. No one can tell me anything different. So as you can see there, look at that. I got over 10,000, guys. This is crazy. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. All you got to do, guys, is go over to Google, go to the search bar, type in ZooMods, come over to the site, and then we're literally just going to go to the search bar, guys, and type in Rise of Kingdoms, and you're going to be all set, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. So if this video worked for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. Get the word out about this method. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.